Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to make allocation for the fabrics. To do this, click on the docket management and choose fabric planning. Here in this list you can see orders, order style, customer, delivery date and the required fabrics of the orders. Before you make the purchase order, you can check the free stock. The stocks are not allocated with any order. So before making purchase order, you can allocate the fabrics to the orders from this screen. So if you want, first filter any fabric. Then to narrow down the list, you can filter the color as well. As you can see, for separate orders, we're gonna need the same fabric with the same colors. And some of the orders we already purchased, some of them we already received. To allocate the fabric with any of the orders, choose the line, right click and choose Received Allocation. You can see the transactions that already have free stock, and you can see the quantity, reserved quantity and the balance. To complete the allocation from this receipt, click on the line, then click Allocation button. It will automatically generate the required quantity if you have enough in the transaction. If you want, you can make the quantity less than this. After that, close this screen. It will automatically allocate it and the free stock quantity will be deducted as well.